In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept PayPal pending money. This process is crucial for ensuring that your transactions go smoothly, and it's relatively straightforward once you get the hang of it. Let's dive right in. First, it's important to ensure you have a PayPal account. If you haven't set one up yet, take a moment to create a new account. It's a simple process where you'll need to provide some basic information. Make sure everything is filled out correctly, and you should be all set to proceed. Once your account is set up, or if you already have an account, the next step is to log in. Use your credentials, either your business email or your personal working email, and follow the on-screen instructions to access your PayPal dashboard. Now, if you're anticipating any pending payments or if there are any payment holds on your account, you'll want to navigate to the Activity tab. This will give you a snapshot of what funds are waiting for your approval or action. Sometimes, there might be instances where someone has sent you money, but you don't see an option to withdraw or accept it immediately. If that's the case, the payments should appear here in the Activity tab, waiting for you to take action. You just need to follow through by accepting these pending payments. In some instances, you might receive money from someone who is not yet in your PayPal contacts. PayPal, aiming to maintain a secure transaction environment, typically favors transactions between people who are already connected in some way. They're cautious to ensure that the people sending you money are legitimate contacts. For transactions involving those not in your contact list, PayPal has a specific guideline where they might hold the payment for up to 21 days. To navigate this, head over to the Get Money section. This is where you can provide more detailed information about the transaction. Fill in as much as possible to help PayPal verify that the payment is legitimate and not a part of any scam or fraudulent activity. Once you've done this, click Submit to send this information to PayPal for further processing. However, if these steps don't seem to resolve the issue and your funds are still stuck, don't worry. You have the option to contact PayPal customer support directly for assistance with these payment issues. You can either send them a message or give them a call. They're generally very responsive and can help you sort out any complications you might face. By following these steps, you'll be able to accept pending payments on PayPal effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting you on the right path to managing your PayPal transactions.